In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add content with Block Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. First, sign into your Squarespace account and head to your website dashboard. From there, open the page you want to work on. In the top left corner, click Edit to enter the Fluid Engine editor. This switches the page into an editable canvas so you can place and style content freely. Move your cursor over the section where you want to add something. In Fluid Engine, each section is its own flexible grid, which gives you a lot of control over layout. When you're in the right spot, click the plus Add Block button that appears near the top left of that section. A block menu will open with a variety of options. You'll see common choices like text, image, button, video, and more specialized blocks like forms or lists. Pick the block type that matches what you want to add, and it will drop into your section. Now position it, click and drag the block anywhere on the grid. You'll notice guidelines and snapping behavior that help you align content with other elements and keep spacing consistent. Take a moment to nudge it until it feels balanced with the rest of the design. To resize, drag any edge or corner handle. Blocks expand and contract with the grid so you can fine-tune width, height, and white space without breaking your layout. If something feels cramped, give it an extra grid unit or two. You can also create layered designs. Drag one block over another to overlap them for effects like text over images or icons over shapes. When blocks overlap, a small toolbar appears with Move Forward and Move Backward. Use these options to set which block sits on top, so your important content remains visible and clickable. To edit a block's content and style, click the block to select it, then click the pencil icon to open its editor. Add your text, upload images, set links, and adjust settings like fonts, colors, alignment, and spacing. Many blocks include advanced options, so explore those panels to match your site's design. Before you publish, optimize for mobile. Switch to the mobile view in the editor and adjust positions and sizes so everything reads clearly on small screens. You can stack items differently or reduce overlapping if it feels tight on a phone. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save in the top left to publish your updates. Give the page a quick refresh to confirm it appears as expected. That's it. You've added content with blocks using Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine.